Hello everyone and welcome to the Basics of Digital Marketing course from Hovers. We are in module 11 and in this module we are going to learn about LinkedIn advertising. My name is Atharva Shinde and let's start the course. So the topics that we are going to cover in this module is first of all, what is LinkedIn ads? How does LinkedIn ads look and how do they perform? The second is LinkedIn ad platform statistics according to 2020 worldwide usage. The third will be what are the types of LinkedIn ads that are available for marketers. After that, we will see how to make an example or a demo campaign on LinkedIn, and I will show you how to make a campaign example from our side. Lastly, we are going to see how much does it cost and how does LinkedIn ads perform. To begin with, what is LinkedIn ads? So, as everyone knows, LinkedIn is for professional services. So, it is a professional social service platform. And what is going to happen on LinkedIn is that you are going to see a lot of ads from companies. This is an example ad from LinkedIn, and you can see this is promoted. So it actually looks very similar to the posts that you have on LinkedIn. To simply put, why you should put an ad on LinkedIn is because this is the largest stage for business minded social interactions. If you are targeting C suite professionals, including CXOs, CFOs, CEOs, CTOs, or whatever, it also is for providing educational material to marketers or by just spreading your brand awareness. So, LinkedIn advertising is the solution for you. So, what are the main LinkedIn platform statistics? According to worldwide 2020 data, LinkedIn has 675 million monthly active users, which is still quite a lot, but not as much as compared to Facebook and Instagram. At least 10% of the CXOs on LinkedIn are from Fortune 500. So that is a lot of decision makers on LinkedIn, which are going to see your ads and take some big decision related to their business. 40% of the users that use LinkedIn check in daily. This stats is less than Facebook and Instagram, but it is still significantly high, taking into consideration that the people that are checking LinkedIn are all decision makers and they are busy in work in their life. 30 million companies are on LinkedIn. That is a very big number when it comes to one single platform. And there are 30 million companies that can run ads, that can have their employees, that can put their posts. Now, LinkedIn has also introduced stories. So that's a lot of companies to target on or to be following on LinkedIn. 65% of B2B customer acquisition is there on LinkedIn. So if you are in a B2B space or if you are a service provider of the B2B sector, you should be on LinkedIn. And there is a chance of 65% that your customer acquisition will come from through LinkedIn only. So what are the type of LinkedIn ads that are available? As we can see in Facebook as well as Instagram and other platforms, there are three types of objectives: awareness, consideration, and conversion, that we can also see in LinkedIn. In total, LinkedIn gives us 10 types of ads by objective, and they are brand awareness, there is website visits, engagement, video views, lead generation, website conversion, and job applications. What is different in terms of LinkedIn from others is that this kind of ad objective is not provided by any other social media platform. So let's see what are the types of LinkedIn ads. So the first ad that I wanted to tell you is job ads. LinkedIn is for professional services, and because of that, all the employees and employers are on LinkedIn. So it is obvious that the employees are going to put their CV on LinkedIn, and the employers as well as the employees will have some kind of job applications. Most of the HRs are on LinkedIn and they are looking out for candidates through their LinkedIn CVs. Also, they will be going through your LinkedIn platform very closely. So the main type of ads that you will run on LinkedIn or are right now being run by HRs from different companies are job ads. And for that, LinkedIn has a very specific category of ads which are for LinkedIn job ads only. So as you can see here, this is an example of a LinkedIn job ad. Acme is hiring. So what they are going to do is when you are looking through your profile, you can see a ad on the right hand side of the panel showcasing your profile image as well as the company's name. So this is a very good example of a job hiring because it is targeting the company that you are going to work in if you are looking for it, as well as your profile, and then they are going to put what kind of position are they hiring for and what is the location. So this is a template ad that they have. What you have to do in this case is just put your logo, just put the location that you're hiring for and the position what you're hiring for. And when you click on this, it is going to go to the LinkedIn job application page. The second type of LinkedIn ads is single image ads. This is mainly very popular in all other platforms, but LinkedIn also has given this on single image ads as well. The third is video ads. I personally have not seen many video ads on LinkedIn, but it is going to gain a lot of popularity now that LinkedIn has started stories. Maybe they will start some short professional video platform as well. So for sure, LinkedIn video ads are going to grow high. Carousel ads, I've also told this in the Instagram ads as well. This carousel type of ads was mainly started from Instagram, where you could put a lot of images and you could swipe through each image. This is the same kind of thing that LinkedIn now has. And in carousels, the main thing is that you can tell a brand story. So this is an example of a carousel ad, and it is for a B2B treat. So a business to business service provider, and what they are doing is they are telling their brand story in three photos. So as you slide through each of them, you are going to see each and every page, and then there will be a call to action button either on top of it, or you can just click on any one of the image and it will go to the relevant landing page. Then there is conversion ads. It might be text ads, it might be photo ads. Conversation ads will be basically for in order to get messages, in order to get text, or in order to have a lot of comments and mentions on your post. So conversation ads is like a icebreaker for your business. The first conversation that you might start is what are the services that you are providing, what is the price for your services, can we schedule a meeting. So these kind of ads can be run on LinkedIn as well. Then LinkedIn gives you a functionality of message ads. Message ads will directly come to your message box on LinkedIn. So you might have seen that many people, when you connect with LinkedIn, they have a paragraph or so made, which they are going to send you. So these kind of paragraphs can be done by companies. This kind of messages or starting icebreakers can be made by companies, and they will directly reach into your message box. So how does LinkedIn target their customer, or how should you target your customer on LinkedIn? First of all, it is important to note that LinkedIn is a business to business gold mine. Whatever you are going to do on LinkedIn is for showcasing your business to a business professional or people working in the business. So what LinkedIn has does is they have a targeting for professionals in a way that it is precise and powerful. So you can target by traits like job title, their company name, industry, and more. These kinds of function and targeting is not provided, especially the company name part and the industry is mainly not very strong with Facebook and Instagram. That is why LinkedIn becomes powerful for the B2B market. What you can target by is by the company name if you want to specifically target some of the company employees, or if you want to target people who have some experience, maybe they have worked for more than 5 years, more than 10 years, they are just freshers or something like that. After that, you can also target by education. LinkedIn's education platform is very strong. They have all the big and known universities having their pages on LinkedIn, as well as it is very strong in terms of the departments as well. So, in terms of, let's say, they have a particular page for Harvard, they have a particular page for Harvard Business School. So, for example, if you want to target just people or students from Harvard Business School who are doing an MBA, or they might have already done an MBA or are working in a consultancy firm, it is very easy for you to target them on LinkedIn as compared to any other platform. And also, of course, you can target them by interests and identity, as you can do on Facebook, Google, and Instagram as well. So how to get started with LinkedIn ads? In order to start your LinkedIn ad, you should have a LinkedIn Campaign Manager account made. Get onto the LinkedIn Campaign Manager panel. Determine the goal that you want for your or the objective that you want to have for your ad. Is it page growth, website traffic, on conversions? As always, create an ad content that is very striking. Also, it has a very engaging message. Now that you are on LinkedIn, the whole content and creative should be very professional. On Instagram and Facebook, you can have a bit of play around with your content, but we suggest that when you are working on LinkedIn, your ad and your ad strategy should be focused on professionals, because as you know, and I showed the fact that for Fortune 500 companies, 10% of the CXOs are on LinkedIn. So they are not going to entertain ads that are very playful around, or they are something that they would regularly see on Facebook and Instagram. It should particularly be related to your business. And the third thing is you have to target your ad according to geography, demography, and psychography. And the targeting can be done based on the thing that I've told you for LinkedIn. So let me show you how to create an ad on LinkedIn. Just search for LinkedIn Campaign Manager. You have to click on the LinkedIn Campaign Manager, create an ad in minutes. Then you have to go to the create ad. And once you're in, what you're going to see is this panel. This is the Campaign Manager panel. After that, what you have to do is to create a campaign. So click on the create a campaign button. This is the campaign group that you have to do. So as you see in Facebook and Instagram, you have campaign settings. So same way, LinkedIn has some campaign group settings in which you can select the objective, the audience, the ad platform placement. So let's go through it. Let's create a new group by the name Hovers 1. It's active. Schedule a date that you want. So let's say we want to start from today, and we set a start date and an end date if you want it, or you can start a set date with a budget. Save it. It will show active. Click on next. Then it comes to the objective. So according to the objective, you can select what objective your ad want to be run by. For now, what we are going to do is a traffic ad which is going to send the potential customers to the website. So let's select on website visits. What you can do here is either you have saved audiences or you have an option of choosing LinkedIn audiences. So what LinkedIn audiences is going to do is that you can search in order for interest. For now, if we are doing a ad for hovers in order to gain lead generation, we will choose the small business owners. So let's choose the small business owners. The location can be put for either United Kingdom or let's say put India. You can select your audience preference language. Let's now keep it for English. Then there are a lot of options where you can actually suggest or put attributes such as by job seniority, is it a partner, a owner, CXO? You can put how many employees does the company have, and you can narrow or broaden your audience accordingly. Then you have to select the ad format, which I have told you about. But right now, what we are going to do is run a single image ad. Let's set the budget to 1000. The campaign will be starting to run from today. If you have a target cost in mind, put that, or what we recommend is just put it on automated. Click the next button. It is going to save your campaign on every mode so that even if you come back, you will get the same thing. So let's start by adding a campaign. So this is the type of campaign that we are going to put. It will show you that, okay, this is hovers, it's promoted, and let's say we are going to have hovers 1 for now, introductory text. It's not necessary. Your destination URL is going to be www.hovers.com. This is going to be lead generation. Let's upload an image. So let's say for now what we are going to do is that we are going to put lead generation as the title, and we are going to use our logo in order to get customers. The headline will be lead gen specialist. Whatever description that you want to put, BBC, and a call to action. Let's say it's going to be sign up for now. So let's create an ad. Once you have this in place, once you have the campaign in place, just click on next. Now it is going to review your order. So review the whole thing, your campaign group, your target audience, your image, your daily budget, this, and finally what you have to do is just launch the campaign. So let's click on launch the campaign, and now you have successfully launched your first LinkedIn campaign. So let's get back. So let's see how does it perform. There are a lot of things that LinkedIn we can see what type of matrices LinkedIn is performing on. Sponsored mails, there is a open rate of 50%, which is actually very good. There is a click to open rate of 4.3%. Text ads, there is a CTR of around 0.015%, which is actually very low. So we don't recommend using text ads a lot. Dynamic ads also has a very low percentage of conversion of 0.06%. The main thing for which you are going to use LinkedIn ads is lead generation or conversions. So a lead generation form completion rate on LinkedIn is 10.13%, which is actually quite good. And the conversion rate when there is a no lead generation form is 3.4%. So when you're taking a person from either the website to the landing page. So the average conversion rate for LinkedIn ads across all industries is 3.4%, which is actually quite good as compared to LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook ads. So the main question is, how much does it cost? What I have to tell you is that LinkedIn ads are a bit costlier than Instagram and Facebook, and they're always going to be costlier. The cost per click across all industries averagely is $5.26. That is quite a lot. But then you also have to look at what kind of business you are into and what is the ticket price that you are going to sell from each click. Usually the ticket price on LinkedIn is going to be very high. If you are selling a consultancy, if you are selling a service, a product, or something like that, your average ticket price is going to be quite high. Considering that, this is fair enough. Is also 6.59 for 1,000 impressions on LinkedIn, and the cost per send is $0.8 per send, and the cost for opening a message is $1.7. So this is average for all industries, and it may depend on the kind of business that you are doing. The next question is, who is this platform for and what should you use LinkedIn ads for? User demographics matters, and across all industries in LinkedIn ads, the age group of 35 to 54 gives the lowest cost. So this is actually a very mature crowd. It is actually a very professional crowd. They are going to be into the decision making positions in their respective companies. So if you are in a business setting where you are either selling a service, for example, if you are a product manufacturing company, if you are a food manufacturing company, if you are a service company majorly, LinkedIn ads is the place for you. The distribution for male and female on LinkedIn is also pretty decent. It is balanced equally in terms of male and female. 67% of LinkedIn members are between the age of 25 to 54. So they are all decision makers for their firm. And that is what you have to target when you are doing LinkedIn ads. When you do that and you get to the right people, the cost for LinkedIn conversion actually makes sense. So this is it from the LinkedIn advertising. Hope you liked it. As always, do not forget to like, subscribe on our channel, and do comment below what you think about LinkedIn advertising. Is it useful for your business? Do not forget to also join our Facebook group. We have put a link for the Facebook group below in the description. Thank you all and see you all in the next module. Keep growing with OVERS.